Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to Shades of Soya. Today's video will be all about mini jewelry haul. In this video, we will be talking about Jiva. So I ordered one product from Jiva and I will do unboxing as well as review over here, as well as this product I think you can buy for your sister in this Rakhi and she will be so happy. Okay, so let's do unboxing without doing further ado. This is how outer packaging look like. I just cut it, and in this there is one cute prediction is written. Okay, Diva, you will turn heads and win hearts with your amazing selection. Okay, nice. And we have two things. One is like introduction Avni. They are introducing their new product. I think this is Avni by Jiva, and I have a coupon code over here that will give you flat 18%. I will be linking down below and putting on the screen as well. And the second thing, I have a coupon code for Jiva as well that you will get 15% off on your next purchase. So I will writing down both the codes in the screen as well as in the screen. Don't forget to check it out. Let's do the unboxing of the box now. This is the how it will come out. I think it's a magnetic one. I feel if jewelries are coming in this, it will be more safe for our jewelry. See, this is the sponge that we will get. It will protect our jewelry, and there is a message, like small message. Hey sunshine, let's slay together, and we will be getting the certificate of authentication from Jiva. In that they have written like this beautiful piece of jewelry is hallmarked with 925 sterling silver, best in class of gold, rose gold plating, and it is made up of 92.5% pure sterling silver, high quality AAA grading. So this is the certification. That means this jewelry is 100% authentic and it is made up of 92.5% of pure silver. So if you want, or if I want to resell this, I will get a mount, right? So this is how it will be. This is the jewelry that I ordered. This is a beautiful neck piece, and I have to take it out. It's quite beautiful, right? It's a very delicate. See how stunning it is. In that there is a small stones. This is not a diamond, this is stones. And this chain is made up of silver and it is gold plated, and I will be adding the b-roll over here so that you can see how it looks when I wear this. Okay, and yeah, this is beautiful. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do give thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification bell, so next time when I'm uploading the new video you will get it, right? Okay, take care, bye bye.